my hard hat. Anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna get a match. So, skid steer's down there somewhere. I got it all cleared out. We started up there. I got both sides of this fence row pretty good. This is all by hand over on the other side. What I did, I just sawed it up as small as I could and let it lay, you know. The branches and shit I took over there, most of them anyway. But this was all covered. You couldn't even see this fence. So I'm going to have to replace that fence, but the good thing is it's pretty good down that way. I'm going to clear more. And once you get to this other side over here, it's pretty good up there too. So that'll be more mending rather than that I'm going to have to restring. Why isn't my fucking radio on? Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. I like music. I don't know. YouTube, if you want to, I don't know, dock my pay or whatever the hell you do. I don't get paid from you anyway if I put a tune on. So, whatever. We're going to rock out to some. Alright. And let's go. I'm going to get these higher limbs now. Start working on those a little bit. I wonder if this is recording or not. I don't know. Tired. I've been working since, it's probably about 5. You can see it's getting dark. I've been working since about 6. So, this is what old lazy men do. I ain't climbing up in that. Alright, so I found this like horse rope thing. We're gonna use that. I want to have a, let's see what kind of knot I'm going to use here. And if I go up under there again, I should be good. And now I'm going to go this way. I'm out of video. No, I guess I'm still recording. Alright, you guys get what you get, kinda. I should have did this before I started recording. This rope sucks for tying knots. Square knot that ain't coming out. Alright, so let's get to where we gotta go. Alright, so what we're gonna do is knock those out first. Let me extend myself a little bit. Come over here. I hope the neighbors don't drive by and see me doing this. I look, you know, oh, I might well hook myself in too. Well, my saw was okay, but I'm dead. Alright, I'm going to need a little more height. This actually will give me about another 4 feet just by going that way closer to this darn tree. Alright, let's clean up all this shit. Yeah. think that's poison ivy. Chain's about had it. I just hand sharpened it for probably about the last time. That hand sharpening, you can only do so much. Might have a little left in it. All right, we'll get this one too. Let me get into position here. Might as well get a couple of these lower ones. I'm pretty high. Yeah, I'll take this one. And this one. I think that's all I got. Yeah, that's about all I got. Alright, that's a little better. Getting tangled up, spinning all around and shit. Alright. Let's see what we can get over here. Should be able to get this one. And that's probably about as high as I'll go. We got one hiding from us back here. Alright. Let's go down and work our way up. That whole tree. Yep, I'm taking that. Nah. It's one tree. I will take some limbs off. That'll be good. I don't want to take too much off, it'll kill it. If it dies, it dies. You know, like the Russian and Rocky. Yeah, that's me. You know, except for the steroids and all that shit. You know what? We'll take this one. That's a big scar. Pretty sure that's fucking poison ivy. I don't want to mess with it too much. Alright, that's good enough for this one. Let's go down and see how we did. Wish I had a fucking climbing saw, man. That'd be nice. I probably should have just taken that thing out of there. I don't know, we'll see what she does. You know, fuck that, I'm taking it out of there. Hey. We'll let it go, I guess. Let's see how she does. Oh, bury my saw. Come on, go down. I'm an old lazy man, guys. Okay. Let me get this untangled here. Yeah, there's your control. Oh, chainsaw action there. Oh, God, maybe I should have taken that off. You always got to look back from a distance and see how she looks. I only got about 8 million more to go, guys, and then I'm done. I try not to smoke on my videos, but I'm friggin' smoking. I don't want to hear shit about it either. Yeah, you can get a 1086 under that. So, for this shit, I probably will end up getting a chipper eventually, but I just have too much other stuff to buy first. So I figure matches are pretty cheap, like I had said before. That shit don't look bad, I guess. So much easier to trim the shit in the winter too, because there's no friggin' leaves on it. It's a lot lighter, and you can see the structure of the tree better. I actually, yeah, I should have just taken that off. But the only thing is, if I do, I'm gonna leave it, because if I do, that base will rot out and kill the other part. We'll see what she does. We're good enough there. I hope this video's coming out. I know it's getting kind of dark, but I've been down here a week. I got one more week to go. This bitch was riding up on me. I gotta fix my leg strap. Sorry, guys. Oh, I could wear 2 or 3 of these. So much better. Notice that big friggin' knot in my crotch. Anyway, so I don't like seeing on them damn rocks. What the hell is that? Anyway, yeah, we cleaned it all up here. So past this, I mean, I stopped right there clearing, and I cleared a shitload over there too, but I stopped there. I gotta finish up this part, and then this looks decent over here. I mean, it was a friggin' horse fence, but I'll have to figure out what to do. Look at that, with lazy motherfuckers. Oh, that pisses me off. That's, and I bet you they did that the whole way around the property. Hey, you know what? I'll deal with a foot. I'll deal with a foot. That ain't bad. But I'm going to have to clear this whole fence row. Just get all that old barbed wire out of there. I may even take this shit down. I don't know. You cattle guys tell me what to do. You know what? There's barbed wire inside of that too. Okay, sweet. But what they did is instead of clearing fence rows, they just put it inside, you know what I mean? But I guess it was faster than you know, doing it the right way, whatever. Sorry, I'm at a loss for words sometimes, man. I got 10 million things on my mind and I'm exhausted. I know I'm starting sentences and not finishing them. I've been working 12, 15-hour days since I got here, man. And that's as soon as I wake up, I have coffee and I go work, you know. I'm going to take, you know, people are like, hey, how's your vacation going? Like, man, what the fuck are you talking about, vacation? You know, except I don't say that because I'm a nice guy. You know, I just say it to the whole world on YouTube. Fun times, guys. We're living the dream out here in friggin' Nate land. Alright. Smoke 'em if you got 'em, Johnny. But you know what? I'm loving it. This is great. I mean, I'm not really... I mean, I guess I'm kind of bitching. But I wouldn't do it if I didn't want to. I have a view in my mind of what this place can be. And that ain't shit, man, right there. It goes deep into those woods. And I'm clearing those sons of bitches. And I'm getting more pasture ground out of it. And I got all that stuff across the street. I went and looked at some land yesterday. A logger had bought 225 acres and logged it. It looks like a friggin' hurricane went through there. He left all like the little shit.